Hey guys, what's up? Chris here. Just got finished my project with my Losi Mini 8. Wanted to show you, I got a Castle Creations 4-pole 10th scale engine in my 1/14th scale Losi Mini 8. This thing, I just took it out for a second. It's been pretty insane. Could not keep the front end on the ground. I was using this battery right here, which is a Venom 2-cell. Let me see if I can get it here. Which is a Venom 2-cell, 7.4 volt, 5,000 milliamp. It was pretty good. I could not fit the battery in there though. I had to put it in the front, but still, even with all that weight in the front, it would not let the front end on the ground. It was just riding wheelies and going insane. Here, let me see if I can show you a picture of that in there. Traxxas VXL 3s, ESC, Futaba 3PL, I did have carbon fiber right there on that plastic part, but that I was going to cut it all up, and I didn't know if it was going to work, so I decided to take that off. I'll probably put it back on now. See, you can see I took the battery things out, and my battery will fit there with a little bit of problems, but it will fit there. See, I got to make it squeeze in there somehow, but it will fit in there pretty snug. Gotta probably put some Velcro to hold that down. Had to drill 2 holes in the chassis right there. 23 tooth pinion, I believe a 68 tooth spur gear. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.